Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car rear backup camera with monitor kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Royate 12-volt, 24-volt, super thin power supply kit. This product is more of a connectivity kit than a complete backup camera system, but it's an excellent choice for those looking to enhance the reliability and stability of their existing systems. The standout feature here is its high-quality RCA video power cable, which ensures a stable connection between your monitor and camera. Unlike wireless options, this wired solution minimizes interference and signal drops, making it a highly reliable choice for uninterrupted performance. The design is straightforward yet effective. The included cigarette lighter adapter makes installation a breeze, even for non-tech-savvy users. A built-in on-off button on the adapter adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to easily power the system without fiddling with your vehicle's wiring. While it may not include a monitor or camera, the build quality of the cables and connectors is robust, featuring pure copper wiring for enhanced durability. The Royate kit is ideal for those who already own a camera and monitor setup but want to upgrade their power and connectivity system for better performance. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution and lacks the versatility of more comprehensive kits. If you're looking for a complete system, this might not be the best choice, but for reliable connectivity, it's hard to beat. Pros include its stable wired connection and easy setup, while cons are its lack of a monitor or camera. Coming in at number 4, we have the Ysoka Backup Camera and Monitor Kit. This entry-level system features a compact 4.3-inch rearview mirror monitor and a waterproof backup camera. While it's not the most advanced option on the market, it offers basic functionality that can be sufficient for smaller vehicles or simpler use cases. The monitor clips directly over your existing rearview mirror, which is a space-saving design but might feel a bit cramped for some users. The camera is IP65 waterproof, which means it can withstand light rain and splashes, but may not hold up in extreme weather conditions. The video resolution is relatively low, maxing out at 492p, so don't expect the clarity of higher-end models. Installation is straightforward, with options to connect the system to your reverse lights or a 12-volt power source for continuous operation. However, the limited resolution and overall build quality leave much to be desired, as reflected in its lower customer ratings. If you're on a tight budget and need a simple backup solution, the Ysoka kit might work for you. However, it's not the most durable or feature-rich option available. Pros include its affordable price and easy installation, while cons are its low resolution and subpar waterproofing. At number 3, we have the SFrevis 4.3 inches TFT LCD car rearview mirror monitor kit. This system combines a compact 4.3-inch LCD monitor with a 170-degree mini backup camera, offering a good balance of affordability and functionality. The monitor easily clips onto your existing rear view mirror, which makes for a clean and unobtrusive installation. The camera itself is IP65 waterproof and provides a wide-angle view, helping you detect obstacles and blind spots while reversing. While the display resolution is capped at 480p, it's sufficient for most reversing tasks. The setup process is simple, though the included clips for the monitor might not fit all vehicle mirrors perfectly. One of the standout features of this kit is its dual functionality. When the monitor is powered off, it serves as a standard rear-view mirror. This makes it a practical choice for drivers who prefer minimal dashboard clutter. The SFrevis kit is a solid mid-tier option, ideal for small to medium-sized vehicles. It's not the most advanced system, but it gets the job done for everyday use. Pros include its wide-angle camera and dual-purpose mirror monitor, while cons are its lower resolution and limited waterproofing. Securing the number 2 spot is the Junha's Car Rearview Camera Kit. Featuring a 4.3-inch IPS monitor and a high-definition camera, this system provides a clear and vibrant display even under challenging lighting conditions. The camera also boasts IP69 waterproofing, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. With a wide 150-degree field of view and night vision capabilities, it's a great option for both daytime and nighttime use. One of the standout features of Junhao's Pit is its versatility. The parking grid lines can be adjusted to suit your needs, or turned off entirely if you prefer. The system also allows for front and rear camera switching, adding to its multifunctionality. Installation is relatively straightforward, with the option to power the system via a cigarette lighter or USB port. The build quality is solid, and the included 26-foot cable provides plenty of length for larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. This kit is perfect for drivers who want a reliable and feature-rich backup camera system without breaking the bank. Pros include its high-definition display, adjustable parking lines, and robust waterproofing. The only real downside is the smaller screen size, which might not be ideal for all users. Finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the DVK&M Upgrade Backup Camera Monitor Kit. This premium system features a 7-inch HD 1080p monitor, offering unparalleled clarity and detail for a safer and more comfortable driving experience. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, the display is sharp and vibrant, making it easy to spot obstacles and judge distances. The camera is IP69 waterproof and equipped with 18 infrared LEDs, providing superior night vision that can detect objects up to 50 feet away. What sets this kit apart is its user-friendly design. The system supports a dual camera setup, allowing you to monitor both the rear and an additional angle if needed. Installation is a breeze thanks to its plug-and-play configuration, and the included IR remote makes adjusting settings a snap. The build quality is excellent, and the system comes with a 3-year warranty for added peace of mind. The DVK&M kit is the gold standard for backup camera systems, perfect for trucks, trailers, RVs, and pickups. While the price might be higher than some other options, the premium features and performance make it well worth the investment. Pros include its large, high-resolution display, outstanding night vision, and dual camera support. The only con is that it might be overkill for smaller vehicles or casual users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.